Technology has the power to do several things, and changing the world is one of them. We are privileged to living in a time where emerging technologies are assisting us in making our lives better and easier so much that we kinda feel bad for the people in the past. Today we are talking about some incredible innovations that sounded futuristic only a few years ago and are now entering in our lives at the speed of sound. Gadget that helps to download the brain into a computer, real-life robots, lost item tracker, and printing human organs. Yes, the future is right here. Sometimes our fears can drive our greatest innovations. This is true for Elon Musk and his fears regarding artificial intelligence. Calling it a Fitbit for your brain using a simple and painless procedure, the Neuralink team would install a brain interface into people's minds. This device would translate thoughts and commands, allowing us to control devices around our home by just thinking. The company has ambitious plans for the device to cure blindness, deafness, paralysis, memory loss, and prevent stroke. Musk said that chips will be available at the end of 2021, and we are totally excited. Reducing the transmission of severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, is a global priority. Contact tracing identifies people who were recently in contact with an infected individual in order to isolate them and reduce further transmission. Digital contact tracing uses technology to track and trace contacts. Individuals download an app onto their smartphones and record location and symptom information, or their devices might use location finding technology like Bluetooth or GPS. If the user is infected, the technology identifies close contacts or secondary infections and informs people whom they have been nearby. The technology identifies where the infection was passed on and its last duration. If you are anything like us, you probably can't wait for the day you can go to the store and easily buy a robot to clean your house and do other things. Well, the day isn't far as technology is getting better with each passing day. Some high-tech companies have already developed pretty impressive robots that make us feel like the future is here already. You should meet Robier, a high-tech teddy designed to lift elderly patients from a bed and put them into a wheelchair. In fact, in Singapore, robots named Camilo have been used to deliver groceries and other essential stuff to over 700 households in the local area. This surely has been a welcome service during these unprecedented times. Isn't it a brilliant view of what the future holds? Apple has announced a tile-like Bluetooth tracking device that's designed to be attached to items like keys and wallets for tracking purposes, letting you find them right in the Find My app. The tracking accessory is named AirTag. It's a small round device that measures 1.26 inches in diameter and 0.31 inches in thickness. The company offers free customization in the form of engravings and emojis, and also sells separate ring accessories that help you to attach the AirTag to keys or straps for attaching it to a purse or backpack. These straps come in the form of attractive leather tags, so they won't look out of place on a suitcase or handbag, though you can expect Apple to charge a premium as usual. For years, scientists have predicted that 3D printing, which has been used to make toys, homes, and scientific tools, could one day the technology be used to print live human body parts to mitigate a shortage of donor organs. Lately, a team of Israeli researchers presented a bioprinted heart the size of a cherry. The organ consisted of cells, blood vessels, ventricles, and chambers, a first for the industry. The printing process took only 3 to 4 hours and the heart was no bigger than a rabbit's heart. But it's an encouraging start, don't you think? So this was all for today's video. Hope these breakthroughs blew your mind. Let us know in the comments which one you find the most fascinating. Till then, stay tuned for the next episode of Tweet Friday. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such fresh content.